Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, guys. Today I will be showing you guys one of my favorite masks, DIY masks, okay? And it's called Tumeric Mask. I was using turmeric I think last year quite frequently, and I decided to give it a break, and now I'm back at it again because this intruder decided to invade my forehead, and yeah, I just got to get rid of it. It just has to go. Turmeric is one of those spices that have a lot of medicinal properties. Turmeric has a medicinal compound called curcumin. Turmeric mask can help with inflammation. It can help with dark circles. It can help with hyperpigmentation, which I do have all around my chin, for any part of the body too. It's not just for the face. You know, you can use it for your underarm. Whatever you decide to use it for, that's your business. Okay, ain't my business. Just a warning, please be careful when using the turmeric mask. Turmeric stains, it's used as a dye. So if you're going to apply this mixture, you use gloves, or you can use a foundation brush like I will be using. Just wear a t-shirt that you just don't care about, okay? I think that's it. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. First, you guys are gonna need a mixing bowl or cup or whatever you guys have in the kitchen, a mixing spoon, and a scooping spoon. First ingredient needed is turmeric powder. I got this from my local Indian food store, but you can try getting this at your supermarket. And you're gonna need 1 scoop. Second ingredient is the Besan flour, known as chickpea flour. I got this from my Indian food store, and you're also gonna need 1 scoop of this. Next, we're gonna throw some extra virgin coconut oil. I got this from Stop and Shop. Make sure you heat this oil before putting it in the mix. I made a mistake and did not do that, so don't do what I'm doing. Yeah. Next up is tea tree oil. I got this from Trader Joe's. Next, you need a lemon, a limon, or citron, as the Haitians would say. Last but not least, you're gonna need some milk. I kind of eyeballed it, but you wanna start off with a smaller amount. Now you're gonna combine the powdered ingredients with the milk and mix. Now you want to add the tea tree oil, 2 to 5 drops max. This stuff is very strong. I would not advise you to put more than that. If you do, that's on you, boo. pants. You see, this is why I tell you, make sure you have clothes on that you just don't care about getting dirty, because yeah, see, it stains. So you're gonna keep this on for 20 minutes and then you're gonna wash it off. I am all done washing my face. If you notice that there is a yellow tint to your face, don't be alarmed, don't be scared. All you have to use is a cleansing wash, which is what I did. I used my cleansing wash to wash my face, and then I patted it dry. Now I'm going to follow up with a moisturizer. I'm going to use the Clinique lotion. All the way at the bottom. I need to get another one. And then I'm going to add the Lily of the Desert aloe vera gel. This stuff is the bomb, okay? I purchased this at Vitamin Shop. This stuff is the shit. I'm gonna put a little bit on there. It, but you want to drag it up. You never want to apply it downwards. You want to apply it up. No wrinkles here, no premature wrinkles over here. And then pat into the skin. That completes my DIY routine for acne scars and for clearing the skin. Let me know in the comment box below what DIY remedy or DIY recipe that you use to get rid of acne scars and to lighten the skin. If you enjoyed the video, please like and hit that subscribe button on the bottom. You ain't doing nothing. Just click on it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.